Nowhere to hide.
Oh, Blazer. No, it's just expecting Sue to... What do you mean trying to hide? No, we're cool. We are. Okay. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow night then. Yeah, bye. Okay, the deal's tomorrow.
No, I told you we had to hurry.
Which floor is he on?
4th floor.
Okay. We don't have to take him head on. We sneak up on him. Got it? Jesus, Lynch!
I swear I'll...
Any slower.
We're gonna do this. Let's do it right. I'll take the left and go the other way.
Just don't bail out on me.
Which way?
Straight ahead. Take the stairs.
I got company!
I see him!
There's more!
What's that smell?
Just one more. We got it.
Okay. Where now?
Keep going. Through here.
She better be fucking worth it, Lynch.
She is. Just us. You don't fuck with Shanksy.
Let's go!
Why do every time I shoot somebody in this game, they sound like Rocky?
Shit! We're attacking from the other side! Where is it?
Double happiness.
Shit! The door's open! Sue! Where are you? Sue! damn it! We gotta go. Leave the country. This fucking Shang-Chi, whatever the fuck he owns the police, he owns Sing. We are way over our heads here. I'm not going anywhere without Sue. She can't be far. Listen to me, Lynch. If you love this woman, you stay the fuck away. This is not happening! No! Fuck!
Guys. God.
Where the hell are we going?
Shut out.
Okay, through here.
Come on! Wow!
Where is she? Help me!
Help me!
Oh,
Shit!
finally.
It's Sue!
Lynch! They're trying to kill me!
Honey! Stay calm! We're coming to get you! Sue! Get away from there!
We can take it from here!
Go to the fire! We can't let him get to her! Try to save her!
We will! Watch out! Hands off the rail!
Could have found that.
Honey, keep moving! Just keep moving!
Lynch, we gotta go. Who are those men in white? Were they Shang-Chi's men? They fought like soldiers.
Okay, where to now? Where to? Oh.
It's her! They got her! Quick, Kane!
Oh my God. Fuck, this guy keeps breathing too much. Fat ass.
Sue! I'm coming!
Really
Come on,
hard.
Kane!
Lynch! Lynch!
Gotta shoot him!
What to do?
I don't know! Cover me back! Can't let anything happen!
Don't worry!
They're closing in on her! Sue!
Lynch, shoot!
I'm so sorry! Ah, shit!
Sorry
We
about
gotta
that
keep
hair.
her
but-
Look
alive!
out! Hey, I'm doing my best!